Hey, welcome to Layla and the Locksmith. Today we got a job. It's to open a door where a dog has locked itself in. So what happened, the owners put the dog inside a office and the dog's accidentally closed the door and the owner doesn't have the key, so we have to try and get them out. So enjoy the video. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe. Okay, so here's the door that's locked.
Yeah, I think because of this, because I didn't lock the door.
Yeah.
The dog was inside, so it's mean. She just tried to push it up.
Right. Okay, we'll get this open. Nothing here. There's nothing there. This one. Oh, this one. Yeah. I'll show you. She must have hit this. She must have touched that. Wow. That's unbelievable. Oh, so you closed it like that?
Yeah, I just closed it like that.
Oh, and then, yeah, she must have went like that. Crazy. Okay, welcome back to Layla and the Locksmith. The dog there, safely out. So what happened? The owner locked the security guard anyway. Locked the door, well, closed the door behind them, and then the dog, what she must have done was flick this and trying to get out and lock the door. Crazy. Smart dog. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. It was a new experience for us. It's the first time that we had a dog lock themselves in. But if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like and a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell to get notified every time we release a new video. You can subscribe here by hitting this button here. Until then, be good, stay safe, and I'll catch you up on the next video.